Ready to unlock powerful insights to understand your audience and supercharge your Google Sites performance? First, head over to tagmanagergoogle.com and make sure you are logged in with your Google account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in, click to create account. Now, let's set up your account. Enter your desired account name. This can be your website's or company's name. Choose your country, and then agree to the terms of service. Next, you'll create a container by entering your website's name and selecting web as your target platform. Click create to finish. Boom! Google Tag Manager will display the pieces of code. This is your container code, and you'll need both snippets later. Don't close this window just yet. Head over to your Google site, open the Google Sites editor, and locate the settings, usually in the top right corner, and click Settings. Select Analytics. You'll see the place to paste your Google Analytics tracking ID. That's not what we need here. We are going to go to Embed, located within the Settings section of Google Sites. Now, go back to your container code in Google Tag Manager. Copy the first code snippet, the one that should go in the head section of your site, and paste it into the Embed tool in Google Sites. Then, copy the second code snippet, the one for the body greater than section, and paste it into the Embed tool as well. Click Next and then insert. Your container code should now be successfully implemented on your website. Awesome! Your container is now live and you can start tracking. Make sure you preview and test your setup within the GTM interface. Now you can track user activity and monitor all user activity on your site.